If you have a house in Etna, Ohio, and you want to sell fast, easily, conveniently for a fair price and close on the date of your choice and just bypass all the nonsense that usually happens with a normal real estate transaction, you want to get your house sold, fair price, get it done, this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin. For over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Etna. We love Etna. We don't live far from there, and we're going to be able to work with you. So many people in Etna like working with us because we're straightforward and we're going to give you a fair price, but there's no mortgage company involved. There's no loans involved. There's no banks involved. And that means we can buy the house as is without going through these formal inspections and appraisals and, needing 90 days to close or needing months on end here. Time is money in real estate. Let me tell you, when you're working with more of a traditional buyer that's not able to close quickly and get this thing done, it's a lot of wasted time. But in real estate, time is money, because every day that goes by that this traditional buyer is making you jump through hoops and just not being able to get this thing closed, it's another day that you got to pay taxes, property taxes. They're always adding up. It's another day you got to pay for the insurance. You got to pay for the utilities. If you got a mortgage against the property, the payments are still going, the interest is still going, right? So time really is money. And if you want to sell your house conveniently and close on the date of your choice, look no further. That's exactly what we do. And we have hundreds of reviews, testimonials, and references for you. Been around a long time. Whatever the situation may be. It could be a divorce. It could be some kind of breakup. It could be a new business venture for you. It could be a rented out house and you don't want to disrupt the tenants. It could be an inherited house. It could be, one that went through probate and whatnot. Somebody passed away and now you're kind of in charge of dealing with it. We deal with this every week for 14 years, every single week. So we've seen every single conversation. We've had every conversation you could imagine for any reason that you want to sell. And what we're going to do for you is just make it easy. So when we get on the phone, there's no gimmicks or tactics here. There's no sales script that we're going to read for you. It's a normal conversation. We're going to let you know exactly what we can do for you and also what we can't do. And if we're a good fit for each other, great, we'll move forward. If we're not a good fit, we'll simply shake hands, part ways, and part as friends. So if you have a house in Etna and you want to sell it in its as-is condition, meaning you don't got to fix anything, clean anything, haul anything away, you just want to sell the house for a fair price to a direct buyer, contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. Like I said, when we get on the phone, it's going to be me and you, easy conversation here. And I do look forward to working with you. No games, no gimmicks, and we're going to treat you fair like a neighbor, because that's what you are to us. Our number here is 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you about your house in Etna, and I look forward to working with you.